circle I will put in here. Okay. Now I will put in here some glue, and you can do this. Now it can be moved. So I will put the eyes in here. So draw. Guys, I'm done to draw now. So this is that I draw one man. First is and I will cut it. Now I done to cut it, so I will make part